Hey guys, what's happening? How to hide members in Telegram group. So go ahead and open up your Telegram, right? And go to the group that you created, right? So I'm gonna go ahead to the group. Let me go to the general inside the group, or let me go to, yeah, let me click, yeah, the group right here, right? And then what you're gonna do, I'm gonna hide this one. I'm gonna go to the chat, right? Click the three dots at the top right here, right? And you're gonna see the group info. Go ahead and click the group info. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead to the group settings right here. And then you're gonna see invite links, and below you're gonna see members, permissions, administrators. I'm gonna click the members. And as you can see, I'm gonna be able to hide members right here by just toggling on this option at the top, right? And you can hide more than 100 members, but you need to pass that 20. You need to add more than 20 people in order to activate that option. So you're gonna be able to switch this on to hide the list of members in this group, and admins will remain visible. Let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.